A local neurologist is pushing for a new law to make the sale of medical marijuana legal in Georgia.
He says he's seen remarkable improvements in his patients who use it. Channel 2's Tom Regan is live at Northside Forsyth Hospital. And Tom, some doctors argue that medical marijuana could really help cut people back on opiates.
Yeah, that's true, Javita. Of course, many people who come here to the hospital are suffering from chronic pain or long-term medical conditions. Well, and a neurologist that practices here tells me that medical marijuana is helping some of them in ways that he never could have imagined.
I've seen changes in patients from as young as 15 up into the mid-80s.
Early on, Dr. Scott Cooper was skeptical of the medical benefits of low THC oil. It has less than 5% of the main ingredient in pot. That amount won't get you high, but Dr. Cooper told me it's made a huge difference in the health of some of his patients.
I have patients with seizure disorders that we were able to reduce the seizure medications, patients with different pain conditions that we were able to reduce, if not eliminate, opiates.
He says medical marijuana also helps those with ADHD, Tourette's, Parkinson's disease, Crohn's, PTSD, and nerve pain.
And it works in some of the nerve receptors that are involved both with mood as well as with pain.
The doctor writes prescriptions for patients with qualifying conditions, but it's illegal to buy medical marijuana in Georgia. They have to get it out of state or online, and that poses risks.
Not only are people getting poor quality low THC oil that they don't know what they're getting, but some of it is actually laced with rat poison. And there have been hundreds of cases reported throughout the country that people show up in the ER with intestinal bleeding.
He says the cultivation of medical marijuana in Georgia will ensure better quality control and more success stories.
I had patients with autism that their behavior improved.
Well, Dr. Cooper and a partner have formed an advocacy group to push for a proposed law that would make medical marijuana legal here in Georgia. It's still early in the process down at the state capitol. Live in Forsyth County, Tom Regan, Channel 2 Action News.